Alright, area and perimeter of a circle. So we know that a line that is drawn from the center of the circle to the circumference, it is called a radius. So if we have our center as O, line AO is the radius, and line OB is the radius. AO is the radius and line BO is the radius. Why? Because these two lines they are drawn from the center to the circumference, from the center to the circumference, and we know that the line that is drawn from one end of the circumference to another end of the circumference, it is called a diameter. So therefore we can conclude here that a diameter is equals to a radius plus a radius, which is twice the radius. The area of a circle is calculated by area is equals to pi r squared. Then the circumference of the circle, which is at the perimeter of the circle, it is C for circumference, is equals to 2 pi r. And this is the formula for calculating the circumference of a circle. So let's say maybe we are given a circle, with a diameter or a radius of 5 centimeters. Right, let us insert right, it is a circle with a radius of 5 centimeters. So to calculate the area, it's going to be area is equals to pi r squared. Then we substitute, it's pi into 5 squared. So this will be 25 pi. And that is your area. So it's 25 pi centimeter squared. And remember, the area, it is measured in a square unit. So your answer, it can be required to be rounded off maybe to 2 decimal places. So 25 pi will give us 78.57 in decimal. So this is 78.54 in decimal centimeter squared. Then the circumference will be given by 2 pi r. So it's 2 pi into a radius of 5 centimeters. So this would be 10 pi centimeters. And we can convert that answer to a decimal. So it would give us a 31.42 centimeters. Alright. So in some cases you can be given the half of the circle, which is called the semicircle. Let us try and draw a semicircle. Alright, it wants the range. Sorry. Alright. Alright, so let's check if we are given a semi means half, a semicircle. Alright, so I will try and draw. Come on. Yes. This is a full circle, right? If we remove at the bottom half, we are going to be left with this half of a full circle. So to calculate the area for the semicircle, it's going to be area is equals to pi r squared. Then your answer, you divide it by 2. Why? To show that this is at the half of the circle. So maybe if here we were given that we have a radius of 6 centimeters. So to calculate the area here, it's pi into 6 centimeter squared all over 2, right? So this is 36 pi all over 2, right? Let us check our answer. It's pi into 6 all squared divided by 2. So the answer, it is 18 pi, which is it's 18 pi in decimal. It's going to be 56.54 centimeter squared. Right, and remember that at the semicircle, it is at the half of the circle. So from the formula lena original, you just divide it by 2. Thank you.